Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that could revolutionize your energy needs, the complete solar power system 4000W home solar kit with inverter. We found this product online and added the link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is this solar power system? It's a comprehensive setup designed to harness solar energy efficiently. This kit includes a solar inverter, solar panels, a solar controller, and all the necessary components to convert solar energy into usable electricity for your home or outdoor activities. Just keep in mind that you will need to provide your own battery for storage. Now, let's talk about some of the standout features. First off, the solar panels in this kit are designed to convert sunlight into electrical energy. They are more energy efficient and environmentally friendly compared to traditional batteries or rechargeable batteries. You can say goodbye to those hefty electric bills and hello to sustainable power. The inverter is another crucial element. It takes the 12V DC power generated by the solar panels and converts it into 110V or 220V AC power. This means you can power household appliances and devices with ease. The solar controller manages the charge and discharge of the battery, ensuring that you get the most out of your solar power. One of the most convenient features is the dual USB interface on the solar panels. This is perfect for charging devices while you're on the go, whether you're camping, picnicking, or just enjoying a day outdoors. The lightweight design of the system makes it easy to transport, so you can set it up anywhere you need power without hassle. Who is this solar power system suitable for? If you're someone who enjoys camping or outdoor activities, this kit is a game changer. It's also great for homeowners looking to reduce their reliance on traditional power sources. Whether you want to power a few devices during a trip or generate electricity for your home, the system can meet those needs. In practical terms,